It only
Um,
makes sense to get rid of the bad foods. If you want diets that are designed to help you get rid of them, the paleo diet would be one, the ketogenic diet is one, certainly the carnivore diet is one. The Mediterranean diet I have some issues with because they do use whole grains. They use legumes that has lots of anti-nutrients, but of course they cook them so much to break them down, and that probably works, but there are still residual lectins and oxalates that are in there. It, don't make life so difficult. Just do something that avoids the bad foods that your body really never was designed to digest, and enjoy everything else. And there's lots and lots to enjoy.
yeah, I'm glad you raised about the seed oils too, because so much of our diet is just a combination of flour, seed oils, sugar, and some
Yes.
salt, you
And,
know?
and, and it's and it's not Himalayan salt that's the problem. It's the manufactured sodium chloride.
Yeah, yeah. And then it's devoid of nutrition, and then they may add in a few synthetic vitamins and minerals just to make
Right.
it
And then
look
when you
good on the
do that,
label.
and when you do those synthetic vitamins, the capsules and the tablets, look at the ingredient list. They're loaded with emulsifiers and compounding agents that solidify the tablet, which actually are damaging to the gut microbiome. So you take one supplement capsule, you get a little bit, but if you're taking 20 supplements a day, it's the bad stuff times 20, and it accumulates into the gut that affects the gut microbiome. Gut microbiome is critical. That really tells the tale. We have 38 trillion microbes in our body, and we only have 30 trillion human cells. We are more bacteria than we are human. But that bacteria serves a purpose, and if we had a sterile gut, we would die.
Mm. And I think one of the misunderstandings about the carnivore diet is people think that all the nutrients come from your plants, but in actual fact, they're far
No.
more bioavailable from your meats, and then you've got those essential fatty acids coming in from the properly grown fats as well.
Yes, so the fat is critical, the collagenous material is critical. The organs are very, very abundant in nutrients. And the muscle meat is important too. So you get a different type of protein in the muscle meat than you get in the collagen. But they have to complement one another.
Yeah.
A lot of fat-soluble vitamins are in the fat. So you don't eat the fat, you're going to not get all these wonderful fat-soluble vitamins, which are critical too for the processing of so many biological pathways. I am not the brilliant person that designed this. There is a superior power that is above me somewhere that has created us, and we are a phenomenal, phenomenal machine that we don't even understand. We think we know. We don't know what we don't know. We are just scratching the surface. You know, science proved something yesterday, and it disproves it today. And another thing that we thought was constant and a fact will be disproven next week. It's just the way it is. We just don't know that much. We think we know everything.
Mm.
Our body really knows what it needs. We just need to give it what it needs. And also, we have to remove other stressors on the body. We have to sleep efficiently. We have to exercise efficiently, not too much, not too little. We have to control stress in our body. And stress is a huge factor that damages the gut and the membrane of the gut. Even if you had a healthy diet and everything was fine, but you were under emotional stress all the time, you will have a leaky gut because it destroys the membrane. And then even a healthy gut still has bad stuff in it that should never leak out, and it starts to leak out, and you create metabolic endotoxemia, even with a healthy diet and a healthy lifestyle, except you're under stress. You're just,
Mm.
you're
Mm.
wildly emotionally stressed.
Yeah.
Not
And
a
can
good
we
thing. It's hard to deal with that.